Hey guys, it's just a quick video because someone brought it to my attention that my other process for setting up software for the Monoprice Mini Delta does not work for Macintosh when it comes to opening up the Windows folders. So this is a way to manually configure your Monoprice Delta if you do have an Apple computer. All right. So just follow these steps. It's going to go into printer, and then we're going to go to add printer, and then go into custom FDM. Change name whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and just put Monoprice manual, just so I can know that I custom did this. All right. So now, once we go into machine settings, we're gonna go through and we're gonna key all these in. We're gonna change these settings. So X is 100, Y is 100, Z is 120. And then make sure you have both of these checked here. Drop it down to elliptical. You're going to keep the marlin the same. And then the gantry is going to be 9 all the way across if it's not on there already. And extruder's 1. So I'm going to include this file as a link for you guys to download for all the settings. And I'll have it labeled like this. So the start G code, just go and select it and hit copy. Paste it in G code. Now go into the next one, copy that for the NG code, and paste it. All right. Now go over to the extruder, and we're gonna adjust those. Like I said, all the settings that I'm typing in here will be in that file. So 1.75, both of those other ones will stay 0. Now, if you saw the top was 0.4. So you notice the bed looks a little different from like when you follow other steps. It's not the exact shape of the Monoprice, but it doesn't matter because the Monoprice is circular. The only reason why it has like a triangle when you actually get the settings the other way I did it is because it's just trying to represent the bed completely, but it's a circular bed. That see the triangle looking shape is just so the clips on the Monoprice can grip it. That's why it's just represented there, but it'll still print just fine because it is elliptical, like you can see here. And that's it, guys. All the settings to the right are going to come out default settings that are that they say are best for the printer. You can always watch my previous video on how I got rid of stringing and stuff and adjust those settings accordingly from the previous video. But if you're fine and you're just ready to just jump right into printer, you can go with these if you're not going to do any prints that are like prone to stringing. And it's adjust to fine, change it to whatever material you're using, which is the Monoprice is only good for PLA and ABS. At least that's what it states. I haven't used anything else on it, guys. Like I said, this has been a link in the description. I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, have a great day.